Okay.
Requesting Michael dapat ready to death counter. Michael dapat to death counter. Please, your lady.
What you're looking at are the portable welding machines that's available here in Cebu Home Builders. This one is the 180 arc welder. The price is 10,950. This one is the arc 250, and that's 15,000 pesos. They have here the arc welder at 200 count. That's 14,900. This one, I'll just have to turn around because there's some blockage on the side. That's Relan Arc 3.2 at 14,000 pesos. This one, the same, cut 40 inverter arc at 14,000 pesos. This one is the TIG 200 Pro at 12,500 pesos. This is the arc 200, 10,000 pesos. Then they got the Contender inverter. This is 13,000 pesos, as you can see. Then you got the Powercraft Galaxy 250. That's 22,000 pesos. You got the Contender up there. That's the price, 7,000. This is inverter welder 200 amps. Contender 10,000. Again, Contender 13,000. That's CTW 200. Inverter arc welder, a small one, 10,499. This is the Galaxy 200. That will be about 18,000 pesos. That's the one on the list. And this one, 160 Powercraft, 11,000. Then they got the Pulse Air TIG Pulse Air 200. The 16,800. Arc welder by Pun Air, I mean. That's 15,700. So the arc by Pun Air, arc 250, that's 22,100. The TIG welder by Pun Air, 200 amps, that's 23,000. The cutter, this is the cutter by Pun Air, 27,000. So these are the welding machines, portable welding machines available here in Cebu Home Builders. There's not a lot. So that's TIG is 18,800. Yes, you can see there. Arc